Hi there, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's ukulele chord melodies, 100 chord melodies, that's available for download at my website at ukestuff.info for free. So this is the Honest Ploughman. It's on page 44. What's going to happen in this video is, first of all, I will talk about what chord melody is. Then I'll demonstrate the song on low G ukulele, which is what the song was arranged for. Then I will do a tutorial for the song on low G. And then finally, I'll demonstrate the song on high G just so you can hear the differences, as well as on baritone. As a note, if you play this on a baritone, the actual note names and the actual staff notes that you see are not correct, even though the tablature will work just fine with a baritone low D ukulele. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. I also have some things for sale at buymeacoffee.com, including 2 books of chord melodies that are a little more advanced than Elizabeth's arrangements, both a book of hymns and a book of carols. Those books are also available at the Apple Bookstore, as well as for Amazon Kindle and on the Amazon Print Store as well. All right, so what is chord melody? Chord melody is simply a way to play the melody and chords at the same time, generally just using your thumb. And it's a really great next step if you are a person that is tired of just strumming along. Here's an opportunity to do more than that. So you can play the chord and the melody at the same time. In general, the last note that you hear is the melody. So it always sounds like you're playing the melody, even though you're strumming with each particular note, generally, again, only using the thumb. All right, let's begin with the demonstration. All right, let's begin with our tutorial. You're going to start with the open 3rd string. Then you're going to have an F chord playing strings 4, 3, and 2. First finger is ready to go on the 2nd string, 1st fret, then up to the 3rd fret, back down to the 1st fret. Open strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 3rd string twice. F chord again, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 1st finger up to the 3rd fret. 1st string open. Now B flat chord. Don't let that B flat chord sort of freak you out. Let me give you some tips. First of all, if you haven't, make sure that the action on your ukulele is set low. Generally, it should only be 0.5 millimeters between the top of the fret and the bottom of the string. A lot of ukuleles are shipped with action that's way too high. So if you haven't had your ukulele adjusted, you might want to learn how to do that or bring it to a luthier to have that done. That's going to help with bar chords immensely. But otherwise, you're going to take your 1st finger, cover both strings, 1st and 2nd strings, right above the middle 1st fret, and pull against the fretboard. I'm holding my ukulele securely, but that's going to give me most of the sound. It's just leverage like that. Add your thumb for some support, and then add 2 fingers. That's your B flat chord. So if you're pulling against the fretboard, you're not pinching, it's going to be way easier to do. Then open 1st string. 1st finger goes on the 1st string, 1st fret. Then an F chord with your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Your 2nd string is ready to go. Up to the 3rd fret, back down to the 1st fret. And that's all on the 2nd string. And that happens pretty quick. And your thumb has to move quick to do that. Then C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 3rd string. Happens again. Strings 4 and 3. Up to the 1st string, 3rd fret. 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then up to the 1st string, 3rd fret. And what I just did there was wrong. You'll want to actually plant your pinky there on that note. Then F chord, repeat the 1st string, 1st string, 1st fret, 1st string open. Then you're going to put your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Walk down, 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string open, 3rd string open, strings 4 and 3, back up again, to the pinky playing the first string third fret, and then a G minor chord, which is kind of a shock. And if you're not paying attention, it's hard to hit. If you haven't played the G minor a lot, the first finger goes on the first string, first fret, second finger goes on the third string, second fret, and the third finger goes on the second string, third fret. That's why if you're playing the first note there with the pinky, you're in a better shape to move over to the G minor. Then we've got an open first string, and then a C7 chord with the first finger on the first string, first fret. First string open, first string, first fret, that F chord with the pinky again. Second string, up to the third fret, back to the first fret. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the third string 3 times. Strings 4 and 3. First string, third fret. First string, first fret. Second string, third fret. Then F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's the Honest Ploughman on low G GCA ukulele. Now let me just play it for you on high G GCA ukulele and baritone. All right, thanks for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of the Honest Ploughman as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale as part of her ukulele chord melodies, which again are available to download at my website at ukestuff.info for free. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.